Hey there folks, it's Dub here and we're back with the September 2018 Cairn box and about to open this bad dog up and see what this month has to offer. Done guesses in the past. Let's see here. I don't know if I have a guess, honestly. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I'm hoping for a food item. Let's see. We've seen technology, we've got the charger, we had the GPS. Haven't seen anything fire starting. I don't know. I'm just going with something I haven't seen in a while. At least if memory serves. So let's get in there and see what she has. I'm not super confident about today's guess, but we'll throw it out there. See what happens. All right. So starting us off, one hall pass. This is good for getting out of here and going out there. And honestly, I'm doing a little hunt trip this weekend, so I could probably use the hall pass, I'll be honest. All right, let's open her up. And first things normally first, it's the Cairn Scout. It's a little message report they do. We don't read that personally, but if you want to pause the screen and take a look at what's going on here, you're more than welcome. Won't stop you. And if you care for a copy of that, either hit me up or get you a subscription. You can have that one if you want it. All right, where to start? It's kind of a mixed bag here. First off, the sticker. Again, you want it? Let me know. All right, diving in. So much stuff here. All right, I'm going first with the Paratender Shoelaces. Now, I've got a guess. This might be everyday survival situations. It looks like they're showing you right there where they've got the shoe. That goes ahead and lights on fire there. You can go ahead and strike it up. So Paratender Shoelaces feature a 63-inch, 160-centimeter all-purpose paracord with an added single tinder thread to ensure you always have fire tinder. Well, that's awesome. Some of us might have had their 550 fire cord made into a bracelet they carry around with them that kind of always has a little bit of fire cord in there. Some of us might have done that. Who knows? But if you didn't, and you like to wear boots like all of us do, I'll be wearing mine when I'm out there hunting, not a bad move. I mean, I'd prefer to lose a bracelet than a shoelace, but if you had nothing, you could nip a little of that off and use it. I like it. Okay. So, kind of fire starting. All right. Well, give me some credit, a little bit of credit. All right. Next thing in here is the Outdoor Edge knife sharpener. Now, I'm sure folks have an opinion on these things one way or another. That either A, doesn't do it for you. You know, you're a whetstone guy, or gal, you're a particular, maybe you got an old rock you found in the back creek, you swear to God works better than anything else. I tell you what, these aren't the best thing out there. But if you got a blade that's not the best, you need a quick sharp on, you've really abused that day, you've been, skinning something out pretty aggressive, you can hit this real quick and get a quick sharpen, and it's enough, in my opinion. You know what I mean? I'm not a pro knife sharpener, but I do like those, and that one looks pretty easy to use. A little rubberized grip there, so you can kind of hold on to it and draw back across. It's got a coarse carbide blade and a fine ceramic. Most of those little sharpeners do. So hey, quick and easy. You can throw it in a pack, and it'll get the job done. All right. Here's the Checkfire LED fuel-free lighter. So hey, did I do it? I go back and watch the video, but didn't I say fire starting? I feel like I did. And I feel pretty good about it if that's the case. Never used one of these everyday tactical solution kind of deals. So let's see here on the back. I'll hold this here real still if I want to pause that. You can take a look at the instructions perhaps. But it says the lightweight and compact Checkfire LED fuel-free lighter allows for quick and easy fire starting and features a bright LED light. Interesting. Windproof, flameless, and electronic, it does not require butane fuel or adjustments for altitude. Huh. The included Paratender utility cord. Whoa. Paratender. All right. Theme, right? There's some of that in the shoelace, and I guess this must be some of the cordage itself there, which again, already a fan of fire cord, uses to help light that up. So it's got an LED light on here when it's in use. Apparently, I don't know if that works actually as like a flashlight, but then it shows the lighter in use right there, and I guess they're kind of laser beaming the cord there and getting to light on fire. So wow. That's pretty cool. That probably deserves a video to test that out and see if that actually works. Maybe we'll try a few different cords and see what how it lights up. Interesting. And last but never least, in my opinion, I used to mock the food. Now I don't, because I tell you what, Cairn does an excellent job of picking out quality stuff, and most of the time, it's an awesome snack. It tastes good, it's healthy, there's really no complaints. So peanut butter, hemp, and flax. I'm not too hippy-dippy myself, but I tell you what, that sounds delicious. Hand-rolled, great taste. Let's get a little flash of the nutrition if we can here without opening it up. I'll give y'all a look here. All right. Let's see if we can get a look at that. And a little slow roll in case anything on the bottom interests you. All right. So what it says there is 2 servings per container. Interesting, because, I mean, personally, I'd eat that right now. But it says 2. Total fat, 6 grams. Cholesterol, none. Sodium, 3%. That's great. Calories, 120 if there's 2 servings, so 240. And protein, we're looking at 4 grams. If that's per serving, that's really not too bad. It's actually pretty good. All right, looking forward to trying that out. So as a recap, we got our hall pass. Don't forget that, boys. Or ladies, never know. All right, and we've got the Checkfire LED fuel-free lighter. Really interested to check that out. I'm going to try that out here very, very soon. Got the Paratender shoelaces. As long as they work as shoelaces, they're good in my book. We'll see how the fire works. And then we've got our little knife sharpener. Added little bonus throw in here, I suppose. So anywho, interesting box. It should be fun. I'll let you know how things turn out. And this is Dub signing off. And folks, I'll catch you on the next one.